Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And another nice start to the week, so definitely some updates here need to be made. But overall, bulls, very nice start to the week. So the first thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning. Get rid of this line down here. Sure, it still pertains, but it's not really relevant. And I don't want to have a million lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. So I want to just try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday, hopefully you remember me talking about 0013 as resistance, but now that the price is broken above it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. The other area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And my answer would be if 0016 can continue to hold, that would be a huge sign of power. I say continue because if you look through the history of today, you can see, I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole bunch of times, the bears try to press down through 0016, and to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong right there. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0016, I'm not sitting here saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the best? If 0016 can continue to hold, that would, accomplish that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue, where the seller's currently hanging out at? Now, if you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure this number here is not going to come to any shock to you, but clearly right there at 0018. Several times, like I already said, the bears try to press down through that 0016, and the bulls did a good job of holding strong. On the flip side, several times, the bulls try to press up through this 0018 area, and the bears have been doing a good job of holding strong. So by no means am I saying it's impossible to break through 0018. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story of the chart, that if the price does want to break above there this week, then the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game in order to fight through that area of the chart. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, which it's been doing, the chart will continue to take care of itself. So nice start to the week. We'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.